In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Apple Cash to Venmo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily transfer any amount of balance that you have available on Apple Cash to your Venmo account. For this method, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do it if you have a Venmo issued debit or credit card. However, if you don't have a card from Venmo directly, you will still be able to transfer the money from Apple Cash to Venmo by doing an alternative route. So first, if you have the Venmo debit or credit card, open the wallet application on any iOS device, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and in there you will be able to choose the option to add a debit or credit card to your Apple Wallet. By doing this, you can input the details about a valid card, so the full name and the card number, alongside other verification steps. All that you have to do here is input the details about the Venmo card that you will be transferring the Apple Cash balance to. So input the details, and once it has been verified, it should appear under your wallet. With the Venmo card properly added to your Apple Wallet, you can now go back and tap on your Apple Cash. Now, if you tap these three dots at the top right corner of the screen, you will find the option to transfer to bank. And as the name suggests, you will now be able to transfer any amount of balance to the Venmo card that you recently added. You will be able to choose it as the destination of this payment after you specify the amount, and you choose between an instant transfer or a standard one that takes 1 to 3 business days. The instant transfer will have a little fee attributed to it, but you will be able to receive it right away. Now, like I said before, for this method, you will need the Venmo card because you can simply do an instant transfer to the Venmo debit card. But if you don't have the card or you cannot transfer to Venmo directly, you just have to use an alternative bank account. And after you transfer to that alternative bank account, just use the bank account to deposit into Venmo, sort of a middleman. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Apple Cash to Venmo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.